Okay, here we go. Let's see what we can hear now. Oh, it sounds like they're doing all that at E.J. Harrison's kitty camp. When you come to E.J. Harrison's kitty camp, you never want to go home. They can't stop now. They're gonna reach the fucking crescendo. They're trying to signal that somebody's coming that they don't want to hear this. Trying to see if they'd be quiet or not. They can't stand to be quiet. These guys are sick. They're like, oh, who's out there? Who's out there? Listen to it. Way over there by the mini mobile storage containers at the end, there's a big old pit. Help me, help me. See that? They're chanting. Ritual sacrifice every fucking day. That was my kitty cat. They're all my kitty cats now. I don't care what they say. I always got a plane flying over right in time. That's their plane. It's their airplane. It's white. Sorry. Listen to him chant. Like they do to people. Did you hear that? Fuck you, Lisa. Now they're saying fuck you, God. Dude, they're in big trouble now. Damn fucks.